Today's the day of Karen's surgery. Hello. They're about to give me some happy drugs to make me sleepy.
Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
What are you doing?
I'm doing my dog. Doggy.
Her surgery went well. The doctor came out and talked to us about 2 hours ago, and everything went as expected. So, yay. I am exhausted. I'm sure she's just miserable though, so I can't complain that much. Sent us up. They said Karen's on her way. Go ahead, go upstairs, get in the room. And we've been waiting, and she isn't here yet. So it's kind of weird just sitting here in an empty room. So what are we doing?
We're going to pick up Karen.
Hey guys, we got her. We rescued Karen. She's had her back surgery. Yay! Now we're on our way home and get her all tucked in and get some pain meds. Get her some pain meds. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. It's been 2 days since Karen had her surgery. She's in the other room sleeping. She's really been asking for some cookies. She'd been watching the Food Network right after her recovery, and man, it made her want some cookies. So we're gonna do some cranberry orange shortbread cookies. But I found the recipe on Pinterest, so it could be a Pinterest fail. We'll find out. Let's get started. I may or may not have told you, but I am really allergic to wheat, of all the things to be allergic to. I mean, it is in everything. It's in shampoo, it's in your makeup, it's in lotions, and of course it's in food. So my recipe will be modified, so that's why it could be a big fail. Anyway, you need to get some kind of gluten-free flour mixture and go from there. It takes some orange zest, so I am zesting an orange.
I was getting peanut butter.
Oh, okay. Getting yourself something to eat. Hey, so I had to get my food processor out because it takes your tablespoon of orange zest and your 3/4 cups of sugar, and you mix it up and you make this orange sugar to go into your cookies. Okay, so I am going to pulse the sugar and the orange zest and hope for the best that it doesn't wake her up. So I have my orange sugar and I take it and my butter and I mix it up until smooth. So we'll do that now. So here's my mixture. I'm going to dump it into my mixture. Here's my mixture and I'm going to dump it into the mixer. I'm such a dork. And my butter goes in. I have a big hunk of butter. I didn't melt it, so we'll see how that goes. And I can't remember, 3/4 of a cup of butter. So I stuck that in there, and I need my salt, which is over here. So let me go get my salt. Okay, I got my salt, and it calls for 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. And in typical Kelly fashion, I don't know where my 1/8 of a teaspoon is, so I'm gonna guess. Now I'm supposed to mix it until it's well blended and smooth. So okay, now that it's all blended together and smooth, I'm going to add the flour. Add just a little bit of water and get that so it mixes up. If you're gonna make cookies, don't do it my way. Follow the actual recipe. So I added the cranberries just then. I'm gonna add some white chocolate chips and some pistachios. Gotta need the chocolate. Pistachios. Sound like that giant from Mickey's Christmas Carol. The pistachios, nachios, nachios. Big old knife, and I'm gonna chop these. Hey, watch that moose. Charlie's in here. Now it's looking really good. Got a nice dough in there. Almost got these chopped up. Alright, we're gonna go with this. Alright, that looks really good. See that? Oh, doesn't that look yummy? It smells really good too. Okay, so next step is to put it in some plastic wrap and chill it. And while it chills, I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And while it chills, I'll go ahead and put all the dishes in the sink and get those washed up too. Okay, so it's been the half hour. Now I'm going to roll out the cookies. Okay, you can see that I have the cookies all cut out and on the parchment lined cookie sheet. Okay, so those look great. Those are beautiful. I would say that's a Pinterest not fail, but over here, what the heck happened to those? They all melted together. Too much butter. Okay, and the sickie is awake. And here's her cookies. There her is. Okay, doing the taste test, and they are delicious. They are so yummy. They just look stupid. So, Pinterest fail? I don't know.
Do you wanna